Hey there, welcome to this week's In the Shop with Scott. I finished up that fish landing net from the last few videos. I work on a couple more reindeer before I snapped that blade, so didn't quite get all those done for Christmas, and get the drill press mounted onto the cart. So hope you enjoy. I started adding the 5 coats of Total Boat Lust varnish onto the net hoop. I'm a big fan of how the level of shine just deepens with each coat that gets added. In an effort to keep the varnish lasting longer and not skimming over, I'm trying these portable drink bags. So just pour a little bit through this funnel and we'll see how that goes in the future. With the varnish good and dry, I now use some 1000 grit wet sandpaper just to level out the finish. Then to take it a step further, I use steel wool to get that finish even better. The final step in this process is adding the paste wax to bring back that shine. Then once that's sat for a couple minutes, I buff it off with a clean cloth. To wrap this project up, all I need to do is sew on the rubber net and just work my way around the hoop here. I tried setting the camera up in a few different angles just to see what might get a better shot for future reference. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And this one is complete, so on to the next project. I decided I need a little more material for some more reindeer, so I picked up this 2x4 by 8 foot rough cedar and cut it to 2 foot length so it's easier to manage in the shop. Then jumped over to Ned Sanders and smoothed off both sides. Here's a little insight into what it takes to work in a small shop with big tools. Things have to be moved to get to other things and to get set up. But with the joiner set now, I could run the edges of these 2x4s through and get flat edges. And trying a couple different angles here, working on the bandsaw. And I only got about 3 cut before the blade snapped on me. I think I just let it get too warm, as you can kind of see it smoking here on this angle. I wrapped up with cutting a piece of 3/4 MDF and painting that to fit the top of the rolling cart, and then attach the drill press to this to help give it stability and to keep from bending thin metal on top of the cart as well. I started by drilling a hole for the bolt and then countersinking with a Forstner bit for the bolt head. Probably should have done this in opposite pattern, and might have worked a little easier, but overall we're good and got it bolted down. Not really sure why I was still wearing the dust mask here, but I guess it was comfortable enough I didn't even think about taking it off. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bells for new video notifications.